Are carbs good or bad for your children? Carbs are good for your children. Absolute essential macronutrient to help them grow and develop as best as they can. Do carbs make you fat? Where can you find carbohydrates and which carbohydrates do you select? I'm here to answer and clarify these questions. Carbohydrates are found in many commonly eaten foods such as bread, potatoes, pasta, whole grains such as rice, couscous, and other types of grains. Carbohydrates do not lead to weight gain or fat. That is another misconception. Carbohydrates will help fuel your little growing children, give them plenty of energy throughout the day. There is a difference between complex carbohydrates and simple carbohydrates. Complex carbs take longer to digest. They contain more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Simple carbs get digested very quickly. They don't have enough fiber and often contain refined sugars. If you're giving your children simple carbohydrates, it may lead to weight gain over time. Children need 3 to 4 portions of carbs a day, preferably going for the more complex carbs, which contain fiber, essential vitamins and minerals. Here are some useful suggestions to replace the carbohydrates you may be giving your children with healthier alternatives. Instead of giving your children crisps and French fries, why not consider giving them potatoes that could be baked or roasted or cut up into thick slices like potato wedges, which are going to be a healthier, more wholesome carbohydrate. Instead of having sugar-high cereals such as Rice Krispies and cornflakes, give them something more wholesome such as porridge oats or a granola that you can make at home, dairy-free yogurt and some nuts and seeds. You can make your own bread with other flours, not just wheat for example, but spelt or millet or buckwheat. This will give your children steady energy throughout the day. Fruits are also an essential carb. If you can ensure that your children consume whole fruits instead of juices, that's going to be much healthier for them. Fruits also contain water, vitamins, minerals and some fiber, and they're easy to encompass into your child's diet. In summary, carbs are good. They will give your children plenty of energy and do not lead to weight gain. So make sure that they're getting the essential carbohydrates from unrefined carbs as much as you can. If you found this content useful, please like and subscribe to this channel and click on the link below for a summary of this video and some further recipes.